everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's SparklingChar. Bet you didn't think you was gonna see me that quick, huh? But welcome back, sparklers, and I'm just coming in to do a project share for Saturday morning makes, although I didn't get started till this afternoon. That's why I'm uploading so late, but it's okay, right? So what I'm about to show you is that I made what do you call it? A notepad holder for myself, because I made this years ago and I carry it to work with me every day. It's holding up. It holds up pretty good. You know, I don't be too rough with it or anything, but it's too big, and now I got to take a laptop, and then I have an iPad with me, my cell phone, and it's just way too much. So I got to try to minimize some things that I'm carrying, but this is one of my favorite notebooks. So this is what I made today, and I'm going to start taking it to work with me, but I'm going to use the hashtag Saturday Morning Makes. I'm using the hashtag snowmen of January or something like that. Snowman is on the screen right there. Yeah. And also I'm going to use a hashtag that I used to do with me and my bestie Donna. We did Inspired to Create, and I went on there looking, and I haven't done nothing on there in like a year, so I'm going to add this to that too, because I was inspired to create this because I'm tired of carrying the big one. And I think this one, I don't know, this is large. See, this is more than 8. This is more than 8 inches wide, and more than 8 inches long. It might be like 10.5 by, I don't see my ruler right now. Let me see, can I? But anyway, it's long, it's big. Yeah, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 9 inches wide. Let's see how long it is. 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. 9 by 11. Yeah, see? So, I'm coming in to show you guys what I made today. My notebook. Isn't it cute with all the snowmen? Yeah, that's why I did the hashtag snowman of January. Yeah, it turned out really cute. I stickled up. This sparkle came from Angelina. She sent me a little gift right before Christmas, Happymail. And I said, let me put that on top of there, because I looked for some with snowmen. See, I got my little snowballs. In the Winter Wonderland. And these snowmans I got from Creative Fabrica. I brought them in, you know, downloaded them, and I resized them. So it make them any size you want. And this is my closure. It's nothing but elastic. And I took another one of those keychains. I got a lot of keychains, Christmas keychains. So I took the snowflake. Yeah, this is a blue button, navy blue button. I had some beads, and then of course I had some little snowman charms. And yeah, that's how I made my closure. And here is I actually added a snowman out here, but this was, I'm going to make another tassel for this one, but I took this off of my journal from 2 years ago, January, and I just added the snowman on there. See, it's got like the little snowballs of blue, and this looked like a snowball too. So, and then the front is some digital background from Creative Fabrica. I put bookends on it, and then I stickled up the little snow kids and the snowman. This is some rickrack from Dollar Tree. Comes in that pack. About 4 or 5 of them come in a pack of ribbon. And yeah, and that's the back. More corners, book corners on there. And then you open up, and then I got a pocket here. I put a snowman there. And then here, see how I resized it? So you can make them much bigger because the one on the front is smaller. But I'm going to, that's another paper from Creative Fabrica. I'm going to put a calendar on the back of here. I just didn't want to not use this. This is so cute. So I put that in there. I got, as you can see, I got paper clips down at the bottom. I have my notepad, say winter, and then I got a snowman here. So I may cut the rest of those snowmans out and just put them on each page, because I think it's really cute. Of course, that charm is by a paper clip. And then this is a sparkle pen. Hey, why not? Sparkle, huh? But I actually had this one in here from Office Depot, and I put like a little snowball on the top, and it actually will hold in like that with that glitter ribbon on the side. Then I like this one here because of the roundness, but it's not going to stay in there. But it goes down in there. It seems to hold any size pen. And then I have this one here in my stash that I made. You can tell I love sparkles. Yeah, I do. And it goes down in there too. See, it holds really pretty, right? And of course, this comes out. You know, this slides out. And there's that pocket down in there. And it's similar to the one that I made for Christmas. Yeah, but okay, but we'll put this one back in for now. Yeah, and also with that pocket here, you can take one of the little bitty notepads and slide it right up in there. And then you got a smaller notepad too. And then there you go. And it's just so super cute, guys. So I just wanted to stop in and share my project for today that I didn't start on until about 3 o'clock this Saturday afternoon. But Jill said it's okay, just post whenever you finish. So I'm done. So thank you, Jill, for keeping this Saturday morning maze, because it helps me to craft on weekends because I can't craft during the week. And it's so relaxing to me. And I forget who's doing the snowman in January, but I'll have it in the description box down below. And then Inspired to Create. Okay, so yeah. So thank you guys for stopping by. And if you didn't get a chance to see my December daily, I did a flip through. It's really cute. I also have a short video on it just to show you the cover, because that's the best cover I've ever done. And it's just so gorgeous to me. But hope you guys get a chance to go see that too. And I will see you guys in the next video. Remember to always sparkle. Bye for now.